If there's a stubborn fat pocket that just won't budge, no matter how consistent you are with diet and exercise, CoolSculpting is probably one of the first things you've come across in your research. And it might genuinely be worth exploring. Hi, I'm Aggie, the director of CoolSculpting at Skin Vitality. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how it works, what it does to fat cells, and what realistic results actually look like. CoolSculpting is a non-invasive fat reduction treatment built on a technology called cryolipolysis, essentially controlled fat freezing. Here's the core idea. Fat cells are more sensitive to cold than the surrounding skin and tissue. CoolSculpting uses that to its advantage, delivering precisely controlled cooling to a targeted area, triggering natural fat cell death without affecting anything around it. It's not a weight loss treatment. It's designed for localized fat reduction in specific stubborn areas. Each session runs approximately 35 to 60 minutes, and treatment plans are customized based on anatomy and goals. The provider reviews the treatment area, discusses goals, and selects the right applicator for the fat pocket being targeted. Then, a protective gel pad goes on first. Then the applicator is positioned. Gentle suction draws the tissue between the cooling panels, keeping everything in full, direct contact with the fat layer. Treatment begins and the area starts to cool. Most patients feel an intense cold in the first few minutes that fades quickly as the area goes numb. From there, it's pretty low-key. Most people read, scroll, or nap through it. Once the applicator comes off, the provider massages the treated area for about 2 minutes. Studies show this step supports better breakdown of the crystallized fat cells. Over the following weeks, the immune system does its job, identifying and clearing out the damaged fat cells through the lymphatic system. That's where the gradual slimming comes from. The science here is well established. When fat cells are cooled to the right temperature, they undergo apoptosis, a natural, controlled process of cell death. The body then sends in macrophages to clear out the damaged cells over the following weeks and months. Clinical studies have shown approximately 20–25% reduction in fat layer thickness in a treated area after a single session, with results continuing to develop for up to 3 months. Individual response varies anatomy. The area treated and overall health all play a role. That's why a proper consultation matters. This is probably the most important thing to understand before booking. CoolSculpting is not a weight loss treatment. It targets subcutaneous fat, the pinchable fat, just beneath the skin in specific localized areas. It doesn't touch visceral fat, and it won't change the number on the scale in any significant way. The treated fat cells are permanently eliminated, but the remaining ones can still expand with weight gain, so staying close to your goal weight supports long-term results. If the goal is overall fat loss, CoolSculpting isn't the right starting point. It's best suited for those who are already close to their goal weight and want to address specific areas that just won't respond. CoolSculpting is FDA cleared to treat a wide range of areas, including abdomen, upper and lower, flanks and love handles, inner and outer thighs, upper arms, submental area under the chin, bra fat and back rolls, banana rolls just beneath the buttocks, knees. The applicator used is matched to the area, its size, shape, and the type of fat tissue there. Suction-based applicators work well for areas where the fat can be drawn up and held between cooling panels. For flatter areas like the outer thighs, a non-suction applicator rests directly against the skin instead. Smaller precision applicators are used for the chin, knees, and more targeted pockets. At Skin Vitality, every CoolSculpting treatment begins with a detailed in-person assessment, not a quick consultation over the phone or a generic online quiz. Our providers map each treatment area carefully, assess tissue type, and build a plan around individual anatomy and goals. We treat multiple body areas daily across our clinics. which means our team brings a high level of hands-on experience to every session. Applicator placement and positioning are reviewed at each step because getting that right is what separates a good result from a great one. CoolSculpting tends to work best for adults who are at or close to their goal weight, have specific pinchable fat pockets that haven't responded to lifestyle changes, want a non-invasive option with no surgery and no real downtime, have realistic expectations. This is gradual contouring, not a dramatic transformation. It's worth noting, certain cold-related conditions, including cryoglobulinemia, cold urticaria, and Raynaud's phenomenon, are contraindications. A consultation determines whether this treatment is appropriate. One thing that doesn't get talked about enough when people are researching CoolSculpting is who's actually doing the treatment and how much that matters. At Skin Vitality, every technician performing CoolSculpting treatments is trained directly through the CoolSculpting Academy, the official training program run by the technology's own experts. This isn't an in-house orientation or a quick onboarding. It's hands-on, protocol-based training that covers candidacy assessment, applicator placement, tissue mapping, and how to manage the full range of patient responses safely. The result is a team that knows the technology inside and out, and a treatment experience that reflects that. The difference between a well-executed CoolSculpting session and a disappointing one almost always comes down to the provider. Our technicians are CoolSculpting Academy certified, and we maintain those standards across every Skin Vitality location. When you're choosing where to get this done, ask about training. It matters more than most people realize. The first few minutes are the most intense. There's a strong cold sensation and a pulling feeling from the suction. That usually fades within 5 to 10 minutes as the area goes numb. From there, most patients settle in reading, working, or napping through the rest of the session. The post-treatment massage can feel like firm pressure for a minute or two. The area may feel firm or numb right after, which is completely normal and temporary. There's no downtime. Most people go straight back to their day. In the days that follow, it's normal to experience some redness, temporary swelling, mild bruising, or numbness in the treated area. Some patients notice a sense of fullness or mild soreness, similar to after a workout. These responses are expected and typically clear within a few days to a couple of weeks. Results don't happen overnight, and that's actually a good sign. The gradual process is what makes the outcome look natural. Here's a general timeline. First changes, often visible around 3 weeks post-treatment. Most significant results, typically between 1 and 3 months. Full results can continue developing up to 4 months after the final session. Clinical data supports approximately 20-25% fat layer reduction per treated area per cycle. The fat cells eliminated by cryolipolysis are gone permanently. They don't regenerate. Long-term studies support lasting fat reduction years after treatment. That said, the remaining fat cells can still expand with weight gain. Maintaining a stable weight is what keeps results looking their best over time. Some patients return for additional cycles to refine results or address new areas. CoolSculpting is one of the most studied non-invasive body contouring technologies out there, validated through MRI, ultrasound, caliper measurements, and histological analysis across thousands of patients. Safety comes down to a few key things: proper candidacy screening, correct applicator selection, accurate positioning, and trained providers. There is a rare complication called paradoxical adipose hyperplasia, where treated fat increases rather than decreases, which is another reason why experience and thorough assessment are non-negotiable. CoolSculpting is often considered worth it because it provides a permanent solution for those specific, stubborn pockets of fat that resist even the most disciplined lifestyle. It is important to remember that it isn't a weight loss tool, but rather a refining procedure best suited for individuals who have already reached their target weight. By targeting only the fat cells in a localized area, it offers a sophisticated way to polish your results and achieve the final contours that diet and exercise alone sometimes can't reach. CoolSculpting reduces fat. EM Sculpt Neo builds muscle and reduces fat at the same time. Different goals, different technologies, and in some cases, a combination approach makes sense. A consultation can help clarify which direction is right. Liposuction is surgical and delivers more dramatic, immediate results. CoolSculpting is non-invasive, no anesthesia, no downtime, gradual improvement. The right choice depends on the degree of change being sought. Fat-dissolving injections work well for small, targeted areas. CoolSculpting covers larger surface areas in a single session. Both are non-invasive. The decision comes down to the specific area and volume of fat being addressed. Diet and exercise are essential, but they reduce fat systemically, not selectively. CoolSculpting targets those specific resistant pockets that don't respond to lifestyle alone. It's a complement, not a replacement. Pricing varies based on the number of areas treated and the overall plan. When pricing looks unusually low, it's worth asking why it can reflect older applicator technology, shortened cycles, or less experienced providers. At Skin Vitality, CoolSculpting is performed daily across multiple locations using authentic, current generation technology, full treatment cycles, and Academy-certified technicians. That's what allows us to offer competitive pricing without cutting corners on the things that actually affect results.